A very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far.
So what are you, man or Superman?
I haven't figured it out yet.
Over land and sea.
What if my soulmate comes along and I'm too blind to see it?
Just follow your heart, and you'll always do the right thing.
And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way.
The world needs you, Clark.
What about what we need?
Many things, fools and kings, this he said.
Who are you?
Lois. Lois Lane.
Greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love.
I'm the Blur.
You're more than just a hero. You're a superhero.
I love you.
I love you too.